Hey guys, this is an update video on my big new BGX e-bike. Currently, this is the setup that I'm running. I have my JBL Charge 5 in the front here, where the speakers come out. I have an extended handlebar right here, so I can move my phone here, or phone holder right here, move it sideways or forward, and also be able to see the screen. I do have this frame bag right here. This I love because if you open it up, I do have a spare battery in here. And then, so I've gotten a lot of questions on how bright my lights work. Not just the headlight on my BGX bike, but the aftermarket light that I put right here with motorcycle clamps. It's a 14,000 lumen light, and I'll show you both of it just so you can see the difference. So I'll cut off the lights real quick. Being on the bike, turn on the BGX. This is the brightness of the light. Let's zoom out real quick. And then if I hit my brights, it's a bit brighter. On the road, it's a bit hard to see, I would still say, in darker areas, but it does good for the stock headlight. I normally go to mode 3, which is this, 3 clicks. You can see how bright that is right there. Shows everything on the road, I would say. I think it does have a strobe light effect as well. Yeah, that's super bright. Yep, strobe light. And then off.